Okay people, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be cleaning and seasoning my turkey, prepping my turkey, and I'm gonna share with you guys how I do that. It's pretty late and this is gonna take a while, but we gotta get it done. Okay, this was $35, I think. I don't know if it has a pound on it, but this is Butterball brand, and this brand's supposed to be less trashy and all that good stuff. So let's get started. Okay, I have a garbage bag here. So I'm gonna just put everything in. Okay, this is our turkey. Just gonna free her legs so we could get inside. This is the turkey neck. I'm gonna save this and cook it. The gizzard's supposed to be in there. So the gizzard in the back. There's still some gunk in here that we need to get out, like these. Get these out. Honestly, she looked pre-cleaned. We're gonna rinse her off in some lime water. Let me fill this sink. I would use 3 limes because she's so big. You could go ahead and use lime water, those lime in the bottle, or vinegar, anything you wash your meat with, clean your meat with, you could use. But we're gonna use lime. Okay, that was only 2 limes. I'm going to get another one because she's a big bird. Get another one. This is the 3rd lime. This is a big one. Let's get some inside. Okay, make sure everything's clean. Okay. If you have the time or you want to do that, you could go ahead and leave her in the water for like 5 minutes or so. But I think she should be good. She's clean. Okay. Get underneath the arms and on the legs. I find it. So this is the liver. The gizzard. I don't normally keep this. This is how it looks. Liver, gizzard. Put it aside for now. And this piece you're gonna just cut off and throw away. This is just fat, extra fat. You don't need this part. nice and clean. I'll give her a rinse. And rinse her off. Okay, she's good. Whew. Now let's mix our dry rub to season our turkey. Okay, for the seasoning, I'll let you know exactly what I use. And we're just gonna put everything together, mix it up, and then apply it to the chicken. Apply it to our turkey. It's not that I want you here. Yeah. It's not the way you say it to my eyes. I know that it'll make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You get away. Palm trees, beach views, and everything. All I wanna do is in the pictures on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away. You're still right next to you. You. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. I want you Okay guys, so I'm using 1 onion and 1 whole clove of garlic, and we're gonna cut these up, and this is gonna be a part of our wet seasoning for the turkey. Okay guys, for the wet seasoning, all I did was combine the garlic and onion and add 4 teaspoons of the jerk seasoning to the mixture and apply it in and outside of the turkey. Okay guys, so it's a few days later. This is how I store the turkey. This is just a regular bag that I washed and put the turkey out. So we season it for, I think it was seasoned for probably 3 days. We had it in the freezer for 2 days, and then down the bottom of the fridge for another 2 days. So today we're going to actually cook it. So along with the seasoning that we already applied to it inside and out, we're gonna do some additional seasoning. So I have a onion, 1 whole onion, 1 orange, some thyme. Probably gonna need more thyme. I have more, and this is more of the dry seasoning that we mix together, the same seasoning. And this is some butter at room temperature. We're gonna make a butter paste. I want the butter much more soft than that, I don't know, but we're gonna figure it out. So what we're gonna do is add this seasoning to the butter and make a paste to rub all over the turkey inside and out, and then we're gonna do the same with this and stuff the turkey with these. So let's get started. Okay, let's see how she looks. Nice and seasoned inside, nice and seasoned. Okay, so now this is just additional seasoning. As I said, we're gonna add these dry seasoning to this butter. Okay, so now this is our buttery, seasoned buttery paste that we're gonna rub down our turkey with. Let's put some of the thyme in it. This is the pan that we're actually gonna bake it in. So for the last rub down, season up, we're gonna transport the turkey, put it in the baking pan. Okay. Open everything up so we can do a rub down. We add the lime, the thyme, we add the thyme to the butter paste. So let's get started. And you just going in with your hands. If you want to wear gloves, you could do that. Inside, we want everywhere to get some. So the pieces with the thyme, we're gonna put that all. We're gonna put it inside the turkey. Turkey full of seasoning. Side. Next side. Just everywhere. Every nook and cranny, okay? Everywhere. Make sure everywhere gets some. Okay, especially in the breast area, you want to make sure you get some butter in there, because you know you don't want to dry turkey breast. And we're gonna take our onion. We put our onion in and our orange. So you're gonna put it everywhere you can. Just stuff it in. It's gonna give it the sweet, tangy flavor. All this is for additional flavor. And then we're gonna tuck our turkey back nice. And the arms, you don't want it just out flapping like this. You're gonna fold the wing, put it behind the back. Like that. So we preheat our oven to 325. We're gonna slow cook our turkey. Make sure it's nice and moist and not burnt. And we're going to cook it for about 3 hours. And we have to cover our turkey, but we're not going to cover it fully. We're going to do the 10th method, that's what they call it, where you cover the turkey but don't let the foil touch the turkey, because you don't want it to burn or color fast. Okay, so I'm gonna tuck one side. Nice and flat. Trying to do it as loose as possible so it's not laying on the turkey. Okay. A little point. And then, that's how I should have done the first time. Easier. Still wanna make sure you can circulate. Second this in our oven is gonna slow cook for 3 hours and then we're gonna check it. Okay, the turkey is in. I'll be back to update you guys. Okay, we're checking on the turkey. I already started pouring the juices back on top of her. So now I'm gonna cook it without the foil for a few minutes. But she's basically done. She's looking good, guys. Nice and juicy. Okay, this is the final product for the turkey. Took it out the oven. She's nice and golden. She looks so good. Okay. How she looks. I'm ready to eat. Okay, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully you get to try this recipe or try this method and it comes out as awesome as this, and I hope you guys share it. So follow us, like, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm going to enjoy my turkey. I am so hungry. Look at my turkey. Ooh. Where the fork is. She nice. I have turkey all up in here, but jerk turkey. I'm gonna enjoy this, and yes, I'm gonna eat everything.